to the video, I'm gonna adjust you too. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to adjust my sister compared to the guy behind the camera. Is anything bugging you?
No, my back, but I think it's more sore. It's
Okay.
not bugging me, it's just sore.
Just sore, okay. So her spots are usually between her shoulder blades, a little bit below the shoulder blades, at the end of her T-spine. Like a lot of girls, females usually get locked up, like right at the bra strap, right there. And then her sacrum is always a little twisty. So, all right, we'll adjust both of them. Actually, it's the left side of her ribs that always gets locked up. Feel that your shoulders drop. Okay, and then look up. I think all our cracks are getting muffled by this sweatshirt. Yeah, you're really twisty here. Okay, lay on this side first. Except I'm not going to adjust his pelvis on the bench because there's no way he'd be able to fit.
Yeah.
Wow, that was easy. Okay, that way. Okay, good. Put it back. Your ankles too, all on this side. Good. And then we'll have you sit up. Sit up for your neck. Going on the floor. And then we're going to do a seated cervical on her. Definitely right there. Yeah. That right side was really locked up. Beautiful. Woo! All right, next, lay face down. Now it'll be a miracle if I can get anything to move. I just adjusted it yesterday, so I'll scoot up. And so for him, I like have to put my whole body, like pretty much drop. Oh, this is into him like that. I'll try to do this one on him. That's fine. Okay, sit up, let's get your neck too. And for both of these guys, seated cervicals I think almost work better. And two, you can get more into the CT junction. That left side. Look this way. Look this way. Okay, come this way in. We'll try to do that one. And this is the occiput. Let it fall forward. Like that way. Grab your shoulders. Oh, that was huge. Her face. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was big. Okay. Look this way. Good. Look that way. Beautiful. Okay, guys. You couldn't really hear the cracks, but we got some good ones, right? So that's gonna be the end of the video. We just got done working out. It's my B-day.
Woohoo!
Holy shit, I'm having a midlife crisis, I think, but this is gonna be the end of the video. Thanks for checking it out. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys